Welcome by Tkkrlab. I'm gonna give you a kind of tour about Tkkrlab. I'm the founder. Tkkrlab exists already 12 years, and Tkkrlab is a hackerspace, so that means a community-driven, group of people who likes to do nice things, and for that we kind of need all kind of things. If you enter the space, you can open close the space with this button here. So we are already open now, and that's connected to the space API. So that way you can see from our space, but also a lot of other spaces, if the space is open or if someone is present. Now we like to do things, and one of the things we like to do is creating stuff, and that can be also physical. So here we have a lathe and a laser cutter in the corner there, a lot of wires, some metalworking tools, woodwork tools, and in the corner here, and CNC. And if you are a member of Tkkrlab, you can all use these tools for yourself. Normally the use of the tools itself is free, unless you use material. For example, for the laser cutter we also have wood and acrylic on stock, and if you use that you have to pay the cost price for that. So our next room is our lecture room, and in here this is a pick and place machine someone built themselves, is still busy. We have an embroidery machine, lock machine, so all kind of textiles. We have even a knitting machine, breimachine, so still have to get that iron out. A candy machine, but not for candy. Arcade machine, and there we have a screen for the beamer, so you can play games and see other documentaries or stuff like that. And one of the things we also like to do, because we like to get everything together, so we built an domotica system, and if you press one of those buttons, the beamer goes on and the PlayStation goes on, and then everything is ready to do what you want. And upstairs there's also some domotica stuff, so I will show you that. So let's go upstairs. And what you didn't see, we also have a lock system, so if you have an RFID tag that you get if you get become member, you can open the door 24/7. So a fridge with all the clubmaat and all the drinks. We have a few 3D machines to print, and our own bar system, so you don't have to pay every small thing you pay. And a lot of boxes, and I think the half of the boxes is kind of stuff from Tkkrlab itself, and the other half is member boxes. So if you become member, you can just leave your stuff here. You don't have to bring it always back home. And there's all kind of small electronics you can use. So with the green sticker you can use the small parts, and the yellow sticker is tools or other stuff you can use. And this is our electronics lab, and there's a lot of tools there also. So like an oscilloscope and a spectrometer and a load meter. So all the things you kind of could need for all your electronics projects. We should be able to charter that. And of course not to forget, we have a turret. So I will put some links in the video so you can go to the pages we have from the tools or from other things. And yeah, what I said before, we are a community, so we like to come together. And some people only come here to talk or to enjoy the company, to talk with like-minded people. And some people are really into making things or building things or stuff like that. So far my tour. If you have any questions, just put it in the comments and we'll keep eye on it. And maybe till you visit us sometime. You can visit us every Tuesday evening or when we are open, or you can make an appointment on Thursday evening via our ticket system. So see you soon. Bye bye.